Hey boys and girls, today we're going to start doing some addition again. And remember, we add two-digit numbers with our decomposing method, or we could even use base 10 method. And this is your seesaw activity for today. And I'm just going to do this first equation with you, and I'm going to show you guys how I want you to do it. So I'm going to use a pencil. And it says 19 plus 37. So I'm going to come right over here. 19 plus 37. I know 19 has a 10 and 9 ones. And 37 has 30 and 7 ones. I'm going to add 10 plus 30 for my 10s. That gives me 40. And then 9 plus 7. I'm looking at these numbers and I need to come up with a strategy to use. I know that 9 and 9 is a double for 18. So if I did a double minus 1, or I'm sorry, that would have to be a double minus 2, because 7 is 2 away from 9. So if I did a double minus 2, so 9 and 9 is 18, minus 2, that gets me 16. So then I would add 40 plus 16. I know 10 more than 40 is 50, plus 6 is 56. So I'm going to come write my answer here, 56. Now I'm going to erase my work and move on to the next equation. Okay, so I'm going to get my pencil again, and now I'm going to solve 30 plus 28. "30" is just 30, and then 20 has 20, so that gives me 50. So then I need to do 50 plus 8. That gives me 58. So over here on this side, there's going to be an equation that also has a sum of 58 that I would match this to. Over on this side, there's an equation that has a sum of 56 that I would match to. And you're going to do that for all of your equations. All right, guys, have a great day.